Hello everyone. All right, so like I said in our introduction, this week we're going to do something a little different. All right, we are going to be making paper airplanes. All right, now I will go through the instructions on how to make it, don't worry. So if you don't know, you'll learn. All right, my paper airplane is made out of white computer paper. All right, if you don't have computer paper at home, you ran out, you're using it for art, you could use anything. Loose leaf paper, old mail, magazines, anything that can really fold, you can use. All right, so in the following steps, I'm going to explain how you make paper airplane. And then once you're done with that, I will go through our activity. All right, stay tuned. All right, so you're gonna start with your piece of paper. All right, you're gonna fold it in half. All right, so once you fold it, you're gonna have a line right down the center. We're gonna start on our left side. You're gonna take the top left corner, fold it into the middle line. All right. So after you do that, your paper should look like that. You're gonna take your right side and you're gonna fold it into the middle as well. All right. So your paper should now look like this. All right, looks almost like a little house. All right, then you're gonna take your left corner right here. All right, and you are going to fold it into the middle. All right, so just like here, fold it into the middle line. All right, you're gonna take that right corner now and do the same thing. All right, it might fold up a little bit, so you just hold it down here and fold it into the center line. So now you are left with a triangle. All right, now you're going to take it. All right, make sure the middle gets tucked in, and you are going to fold it right down the center. All right, so it should look like this. All right. So we are closed. We are taking the top point here, right on the right side, and folding it down until the top part here reaches the bottom of our plane. All right, and we're just going line across. All right, and we are going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so if you lift up the little flabs, voila, your homemade paper airplane. If you have a piece of tape, let me grab a piece of tape. All right, you can get a piece of tape to hold it together. You pull a piece and then you make a little loop. Sticky stuff on the outside. You can put it right in the middle. And that just holds the wings together. All right. That is our paper airplane that we're gonna need for this week's activity. Now, if you would like, before you get started, you can decorate and color your paper airplane. All right. we have 2 paper airplanes here. All right, if you'd like to color and submit your airplane, you can do that as well. Just take a picture of it and send it in the Seesaw app. All right, now on to our challenges. All right, now that we have made our paper airplanes and decorated them, we are going to get down to this week's activity. All right, attached to your assignment is a paper airplane challenge sheet. All right, now I printed mine out because I'm not at the computer. You can just write into it on your Seesaw page. All right, there are 16 challenges that you're going to complete. Now, I know that seems like a lot, but relax. We are going to do 8 with our dominant hand, which is the hand you usually write with, and 8 with our non-dominant hands. All right, so on your challenge sheet, at the top it says dominant hand. My dominant hand is my right hand. So the first half of this challenge, I'm going to be completing with my right hand. Now, before we get started, real quick, how to throw a paper airplane. All right, holding the paper airplane in my dominant hand. All right, I am facing a target. All right. Now, just like when we throw, we step with our opposite foot and throw the airplane. So for me, airplane's in my right hand, stepping forward with my left, and I am throwing the paper airplane. All right? All right, so now that I retrieved my airplane, it flew so far away. All right, we're gonna begin our challenge. So like I said, there are 16 challenges. 8 with your dominant hand, 8 with your non-dominant hand. All right, and because the weather's getting nicer, hopefully you're able to go outside into your yard, maybe to a park. All right, and half of your challenges are going to be completed inside and half are going to be completed outside. All right, a couple safety rules. Inside, we do not want to throw our paper airplanes at TVs, windows, mirrors, anything that can break. All right, be careful, do not throw it at someone's eye. All right, that's not going to be one of our targets that we suggest. All right, safety. All right, when you're outside, all right, make sure you're not throwing it into the street. All right, not throwing it into something that's, fenced off, into the garbage. All right, pick stationary objects. All right, because it's a nice day out now, I'm going to be going through the challenges, some of them that are outside. All right, so if you look at your challenge sheet, all right, challenge number 2 is hit a target that is close to you. All right, so I'm out here, I'm looking around, I find a tree it's about 8 feet from myself. All right, so I am going to find that target. I'm going to hold the paper airplane. I'm going to step and I'm going to throw. That was one throw. Walk over, pick it up, step, and throw. All right, so it took me 2 throws to get to the target that is close to you. So on our sheet, it says number of throws to reach target. I am going to write in 2. All right, I'm going to go pick up my paper airplane. Now, here's the tricky part. All right, under challenge 2, it also says distance to target. All right, so we're going to measure how far we were from the target. All right, so my tree is right here. I'm going to count my steps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so I am going to write down 12 Mr. Shipe steps from my first target. All right. Your shoes might be a little bit smaller than mine. All right. So whatever amount of steps it takes, that's what you write. All right. So now I'm gonna look around. All right. I'm gonna find a target that's further away. I see a bush that's over there, right? A flower bush. That is going to be my next target. Right, so I am going to step with my opposite foot and throw. That's one. Step, throw. Perfect, it caught it for me. All right, so again, we are 2 throws to reach the target. All right, count our steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So we are 20 Mr. Shipe steps from our target. All right. When you are inside, obviously 12 feet and 20 feet, you might not have that option. Maybe you find a cup or a book that's 3 feet away, and then a wall that's 7 feet away. That's fine as well. All right. Another challenge is the furthest throw. Again, be careful where you're throwing. When you're outside, all right, you have to account for the wind. The wind can take your paper airplane and send it flying. All right. Once you complete all the challenges with your dominant hand, move to your non-dominant hand. So I'm going to repeat those 2 challenges with my non-dominant hand. All right, so now that we completed our dominant throws and non-dominant throws, I'm not happy to share with you my non-dominant throw at a close distance. It took 3 attempts to get to the tree, where with my dominant hand it took 2. But our one that was further away took me 5 attempts. All right, doesn't help that the wind kind of took my airplane a little bit, but so make sure you complete the challenges, go through the challenges. You have all week to do this. All right, maybe if you want to make multiples, maybe a brother, sister, parent, grandparent, aunt, maybe somebody wants to make a paper airplane, maybe you could have paper airplane races. All right, but decorate them. Attach it to the assignment in Seesaw, so not only can I see your completed challenges, but I can see your artistic abilities. All right, see how you create your paper airplane. All right, so like I said, this was a fun activity, something different than our usual fitness videos. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you do too. All right, have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you next week.